Hello, you good people. How are you guys doing? How have you been? Thank you so much for clicking to this channel. You're most welcome. If you're an old member, welcome back. If you're a new member, you're most welcome. Kindly subscribe, like the video, and comment, say something. Here, we like cooking. And we like cooking different food from different corners of the world. Today we are doing vegetable coconut rice. And without further ado, let's start with our cooking. First thing, hot, yes, oil. We wait for it to get hot. And I like adding salted butter just a little bit. Our oil seems to be hot. We go in with the onions and reduce the temperature a bit. Today, this video, I think you'll get it like a week or maybe 2 weeks later. I think so. This is the last weekend of Ramadan, and we decided why not have a small party, you know? So today I'm making a lot of food, a lot. And yes, here, every time you see this bowl, it's garlic, ginger, and chili. That's my logo. Tell me to make an egg for you, I'll put garlic, ginger, and chili. Yes, that's my other name. Next, we are going in with turmeric, just a little bit. As I said, is coconut vegetable rice, so that one comes with a little bit of turmeric, just for color, not that much. And next, I have my 4 cups of rice. Yes, 4. Can't remember the last time I cooked this much food, you know. This is 4 cups of basmati rice. And first, I'll just pan it with oil. I'm trying to get you closer. First, I'll burn it. This process, by the way, it takes a while, like 7 to 10 minutes to mix this, and for the oil, you know, I mean for the rice, to get every piece of something that they found in this pot, to get some onions, some garlic, some ginger, some oil, some turmeric, you know. Every piece, every grain of rice has to get something. And then I leave it for like maybe 7 to 10 minutes. Because it's on low temperature. And I keep on mixing. Yes, 2 minutes after, that's 8 minutes gone. I set 10 minutes, so as you can see, it has changed the color already. We wait for the next 2 minutes. Our rice seems to be well, and it's just a minute balance, so we can continue. Here I have coconut milk. That's what I'm going in with. And that's not enough, so I'll add 1 more can. So it's 4 cups of rice. I'm using 2 cans of coconut milk. And we mix. Oh, gee whiz, the smell of that, you know, the garlic, the ginger, butter, and coconut milk. It's just heavenly. It's just heavenly, you know. So we mix well. I won't add water at this point. If I need to add water, I'll see later. And I'll go in with a pinch of salt. And that's it. I don't put much spices. And I'm trying to put my oven on lowest temperature. Mix. I think I need some more salt. Yeah. That's good to go. Well mixed. And cover it up. Leave it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. That's it. And 8 minutes after, let me check. Wow. All the moisture has evaporated and our rice is doing well. Love it. Love it. Cover it up. Wait for the next 2 more minutes. And the oven is off after 10 minutes. Wow, I like the way it's turning out. This rice, it's not totally cooked, so I'll just cover it up, put it aside on this other oven. I don't like using this oven that much because it's those ovens that they regulate themselves. If it's hot, it goes low again, and then I don't like using it that much, but it will help with this rice because I need the least heat because it's almost cooked and I want to make some vegetables on the side, and the moisture in the rice has already evaporated, so that one will balance our rice proper. And next we go in with the oil. Hope you're enjoying my cooking to this far. Please, if you are, just like the video, comment, say something. And as I said, this is my logo: garlic, ginger and chili. Yes, yes, again. It's not that hot because I'm not the only, I have, as I said, it's party food, so I can't make it that spicy like my food. So going with onion. As I was saying, please, if you're enjoying my video, please like, subscribe. Please subscribe. If you're there and you haven't subscribed, find it in your heart to subscribe. Yes. And I won't wait for the onions to, after they turn just a little bit, I go in with carrots. Start with the vegetables that take the longest to cook. I mean, yeah, that comes without saying. Yes, let's check on our rice. Wow, can you see the magic that's happening in this kitchen? I wish you can smell the aroma. How I wish you can smell the aroma. Yes, I'm trying to balance how I can video both. And our carrots are a bit ready. I go in with these are frozen peas, so they don't take that much time to cook. And I'm using the wrong spoon here. Yeah, this is easier. What was I thinking? Continue mixing because this is I'm doing it like stir fry, so it might burn any time. It's mixing. What was I about to say? And wait for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. As I continue mixing, and it seems they're a bit okay, because I don't want to overcook them. Next, I go in with green capsicum, red capsicum, and green onions. And a little bit of salt, just a little bit. And continue mixing. The pot is full. Let's check on rice. Wow, this rice is dry now. Actually, it's dry. There's no amount of moisture in it. Yes, that's nice. That's lovely. Thank you, rice, for understanding my assignment. Yes. Yeah. That's cooked. That is cooked. Let's wait for the veggies to steam. I'm turning the temperature low to the lowest, because I want now to change rice to here and put veggies on rice. Basically, what people do, they add rice into vegetables. But because my pots are saying no to that, what can I do? I'll just have to add vegetables to rice. Can you see how fluffy this rice is? Can you see how fluffy it is? Now, yeah, how will these all vegetables go to that rice? Posh, I mean, make it make sense. Let me see. Let me see how I can do it. I mix and I mix and I mix. And then I add the rest of the veggies. Posh, are you sure you'll do this? Are you sure? Hallelujah. Yes, everything in the pot, but that pot is full. Like full to the brim. I'll turn off the heat because the rice is already cooked, so I don't want to overcook it. I want it that fluffy. Yes. Wow. Wow. And I'll mix till every grain of rice gets a piece of that vegetable. And it seems it's well mixed. I'll just cover it up, for the aroma in the rice to get into the vegetables. I mean, everything to merge. Okay. And next, our rice has cooled down. Let's see. Wow. Tell me you don't like it. Let me hear you say it. Can you see how fluffy it is? The veggies, I mean, everything is well balanced. I'll show you a snippet of how this food will turn out to be. I'll show you in a bit. Hold on, don't go. I'm loving it. Thank you, Posh, for cooking for people, and they will love your food. I'm sure they will. People love my food. Please make sure you love my food. And later in the evening, this is how it turned, like an hour after. one bowl of rice is gone, and people are still turning up. Am I even sure that I have enough food? I'm not sure. Don't worry, that happens with parties, mess all over. Is from the back. That's our backyard. That's how it looks like. And almost 4 a.m. everyone has gone. It's time to clear up the mess. Yes, this happens a lot. It happens always, actually not a lot. I've cleared 2 bags and it's going to 4 a.m. 2 bags of cabbage. They enjoyed. And the rice, not even a grain of rice that was left. Thank you so much for watching, and until next one, bye-bye.